So here's a house we recently acquired on auction. The front garden needs a bit of a tidy, and I'm going to be walking through and detailing the things we need to do to flip this property. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the lounge, timber floor, radiator, thermostatic radiator valve, windows double glazed, wood chip wallpaper on the ceiling, redundant air vent in the ceiling. All the paper seems to be coming off the ceiling. Blocked chimney. A wired thermostat for controlling the heating system. Textured wallpaper. Another thermostat, probably redundant. Some bubbling on the wall here in the bathroom. Extractor fan. Some mould in the corner there. Electric shower. Tiling. Not very good. Toilet seat, sink, piping. Needs neatening up. Bathroom needs sorting. Kitchen, dated, needs modernisation. Ceiling covering doesn't look papered, but it is textured. And a bit of a drop there on the ceiling. The paint's flaking away. Glazing looks okay. New kitchen needed. Garden slightly overgrown. Tumble down shed. Concrete outhouse. Bit of overgrown garden. Parking space to the rear. Relatively new fencing. Rear access for vehicles and parking. Lovely. Shed path to the back garden. Rear extension. And the stairs cupboard. So the lounge and the kitchen, new floor coverings. Staircase, paper, wallpaper on the stairs. Wooden panelling to the stairway. More paper on the landing, which is very small. Carpeting needed in the main bedroom. Storage cupboard in the main bedroom. Block chimney. Bedroom 2. Textured wallpaper on the ceiling as well. A nice new boiler. An electric meter. Date of last inspection on the fuse board was February 23. And there's a redundant air vent in the wall and the ceiling. Well, I hope you enjoyed this auction flip walkthrough. We'll either move it on as is or renovate it. And if we renovate it, I'll do a catch-up video on that. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see the after video. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye.